Marshmallow passed away because of drug overdose, and he wears the mask. So someone, an assistant of his, replaced him, and now
I
he's
don't know
playing.
this
Now,
story.
I'm telling you, this is a story. This is what it is. And
Wait, is
he,
this real?
yeah.
Oh.
So he started playing, and he was not able to make that sort of music or maybe the emotion into the music, and that's the reason he started streaming low. तो उस वजह से downfall शुरू हुआ.
I am not aware of this. But then, oh yes, top three में अगर I think second place में if I have to place somebody
Hmm.
after Prides, Mafia के साथ would be Avicii.
Avicii, okay.
That guy, musically the most inclined producer that the world has seen, as far as a DJ is concerned. And that guy produced for Coldplay. That guy produced for who's and who's of the music industry. And imagine a DJ producing a track for Coldplay. And that guy, of course, died due to drug overdose or
Hmm.
the rush that his manager put him through, or the kind of tours that he did. But then Avicii went too early. I think he deserved a long, long life. But his music,
The
is
same thing
outstanding.
happened with Marshmallow, but it's still alive. The mask
I,
gonna keep
I
him
really
alive.
don't know about Marshmallow.
ये सब बकवास कर रहा हूँ. Don't take it seriously यार.
Acha, are you kidding me?
ये Marshmallow की conspiracy theory है.
तुमने बनाई है, तो तुमने बनाई है. मैं शॉक में आ गया. मैंने मार्शमेलो कब मारा है यार?
नहीं यार, I'm just kidding. He's alive. It is just कि यार थोड़ा मेरे को होता है ना, जैसे वो करता है अपने शो के अंदर. Who's that guy who puts up the podcast यार?
हाँ, कि
रणवीर,
आप अपने अपने डेथ के बारे में सोचते हो?
Death थोड़ा डीप लेके चला. Death मैंने कहा नहीं सोचते हो.
इतना ऐसा?
मेरी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. अच्छा, what makes you fan of Shah Rukh Khan? Suhana Khan?
No. Shah Rukh Khan, the man himself.
Okay.
I'm a bigger fan of him off screen than on screen.
He's a Delhiite. He's from Columbus School.
दिल्ली की एक और तारीफ सुन लो आप, शाहरुख खान. But I feel that guy, the way he romanticizes everything in his life,
Hmm.
and with so much passion and conviction, and he's the king. He lives like a king. He's the king. Like he has justified the term king
Hmm.
through his work, through whatever he is. He's everybody's favorite. Tell me one person who does not like Shah Rukh Khan.
Hmm.
More, of course, but then I
No,
think
no, that is.
I think uh, the entire world knows Shah Rukh Khan.
Hmm. But
Is
someone at Met Gala asked him, you heard about that, right? Someone asked him, "Who are you?" He said that, "Hi, I'm Shah
वो
Rukh."
यार उसकी गलती है, शाहरुख खान की गलती थोड़ी है.
ठीक है, but ठीक है.
बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें तो होती रहती हैं.
But the reason I asked is because यहाँ पे Met Gala word आ रहा था ना.
I agree. But then what I feel is the way he treats women, the
Mhm.
way his principles are, the way he also thinks that passion के साथ पैसा भी कमाना important है. ये सब जो basics है, I think he is very strong with his foundations, and that's why he's at the top. No matter if he does a film in 5 years now, yeah, wherever he goes, there is a stampede. That fan following I have not seen for anybody else. वो मन्नत के बाहर खाली आ जाए, ऊपर से सिर्फ वेव कर रहे हैं at his birthday और ईद और whenever दिवाली.
भीड़ लग जाती नीचे.
भीड़, it's a stampede. Like that fan following, that craze.
I don't think anyone else has that.
Not
Salman,
in today's time.
not in today's time.
Salman, maybe he's a good person, I don't know, but Shah Rukh Khan is a global star.
और ये जितने नए आर्टिस्ट हैं, मे बी इट्स द न्यू जेन जो अब ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ बिकमिंग गुड आर्टिस्ट, वरुण धवन हो गए, रणबीर कपूर, दे डू नॉट हैव दैट कल्ट फॉलोइंग जो सलमान की है, शाहरुख की है, बट दे डू नॉट हैव दैट.
I think it's always about the right time, right people, right place.
Exactly.
It's the era where we live in. Like for example, what David Guetta achieved back in his time, शायद हम लोग उतना नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे. I don't know. It's all about the timing. Now DJ Snake did the biggest stadium concert ever, and Tiesto was supporting him. He played an opening act for DJ Snake. But Tiesto is a legendary DJ. He's a senior. So times are changing.
Times are changing.
God knows what's happening, man. यार कल रातों रात अगर एक मेरा ट्रैक कहीं हिट हो गया, I don't know, tomorrow maybe people will just focus on me for a few years. Yeah, anything can happen because of this so much of pace in digital media, Instagram.
It's just
people,
you have to like hit,
everything
hit,
is
hit,
so
hit, hit.
easily available on the palm of your hands. यार you don't know who's your favorite यार. आज शायद Armin van Buuren. Oh, top 3 again. Number 1 with Eric
Armin van
Price would
Buuren.
be Armin van Buuren. How could I forget? He's
मैंने
my
लिस्ट में ना I put
he's
it
my
out.
guru. He's my guru.
I'll put it out. I put up the list, ठीक है. मैंने genuinely लिस्ट बनाया था. मैंने कहा था एक मैं अपना लिस्ट बनाऊंगा, एक मैं वैसा लिस्ट बनाऊंगा कि
और मैच करेंगे.
हाँ, माई लिस्ट वुड बी कि मैंने जिनको सुना है, एंड देयर वुड बी मैंने स्वीडिश माफिया का नाम नहीं डाला था, ठीक है, जेन्युइनली मैंने, लेकिन उनको सुना है. बट ऐसा था कि मैंने गूगल करके निकाला जो वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग अकॉर्डिंग है. तो मार्टिन केम एज फर्स्ट, डेविड केम एज सेकंड एंड आर्मिन वैन केम एज थर्ड. देन आई पुट इट एज आई लाइक चेन स्मोकर्स. मैंने चेन स्मोकर भी डाल दिया. मार्शमैलो का मुझे कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरी डालना था, मैंने उसका डाल दिया.
मैं तो डर गया हूँ मार्शमैलो की कहानी पे यार.
तो बस ये था. बाकी वी हैड अ डिफरेंट लिस्ट फॉर इंडिया. वी हैड लाइक आई पुट इट अप न्यूक्लिया, शान, चेतास, वो पुराने हैं थोड़े मेरे टाइम.
नहीं ये कोई डीजेस मेरे लिस्ट में तो नहीं है.
ठीक है, you don't like those people.
No, I love those people. They're great people. Whatever they're doing fabulous. Of course, they're bigger than most of the artists in the country. To each their own. I just feel musically, if anybody had to prove a point कि म्यूजिक के दम पे इतना बड़ा स्टार कोई इंडिया में बना है, वैसा कोई डीजे पैदा नहीं हुआ है अब तक
इंडिया में ना.
एंड इट्स अ वेरी सैड थिंग बिकॉज outside because of music people have reached such heights. Here connections, बाप का पैसा या फिर PR या फिर कुछ नेटवर्क आपके या किसी
If you need to change anything in the Indian scene of DJing, what would you change?
Stop giving shows to anybody who has contacts. Just start giving shows to anybody whom you think is credible. Credibility is missing. आपने कितना I think there should be an exam कि म्यूजिक या डीजे म्यूजिशियन बनने के या डीजे बनने के पहले कुछ एक बेसिक ट्रेनिंग एग्जाम दे दो. वो पास हो जाए एक यूनिवर्सिटी से, फिर आप
एक लाइसेंस हो जाए,
एक कुछ हाँ यार होना चाहिए. I mean, failed actors, failed models are becoming DJs. और वो लोग gigs कर रहे हैं और पता नहीं जनता का.
बॉबी देओल भी डीजे बना था ना.
बॉबी देओल is also DJ now. Arjun Rampal is also DJ. See, respect to everybody. Everybody has a free will. Anybody can do whatever they want.
They want to learn whenever they want to learn.
Live and let live is the idea. But then the whole point is, यार कुछ यार खुद से पूछ लो यार कि तुम डिजर्व करते हो क्या वो स्टेज पे पहुंचने से पहले. आपने होमवर्क आपका किया है, आपने उतना सीखा है, आपने उतना टाइम डेडिकेट किया है कि नहीं. देयर आर सो मेनी टैलेंटेड पीपल सिटिंग एट होम बिकॉज दे आर नॉट गुड एट इंस्टाग्राम. व्हाई? एंड in fact they deserve the biggest of the platforms.
But मैं ना आपको एक रियलिटी चेक देता हूँ कि ना then the person who is sitting at home needs to be good at Instagram, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे वही चल रहा है, ठीक है. It is more about the thing how much tickets you sell इस टाइम पे. It is not about how much good music you make.
That's what I'm saying. Numbers when it comes to business, corporates
wanting to make. जो बंदा skillful है ना उसकी growth बहुत slow होगी क्योंकि उसका नेटवर्क नहीं है. वो धीरे धीरे करके अपना genuine organic cult बनाएगा.
You tell me one thing, what would you choose? Fame or talent?
I'll choose talent.
Why?
Because fame last नहीं करेगी यार.
खत्म होगी बात. आप टिकट बेच लो आज 100,000.
हाँ 10,000. वो टेम्परेरी है ना यार.
बट कितने शो करोगे इतने? कितने?